Hello friends, today we will discuss how to make some projects for young children from Tux Paint. First of all, we will open Tux Paint, and as soon as it will open, then we will use its different tools to make some projects. Here are different colors and different options are available. We will select vehicle, we will select a car, or we will paint, and it will attractive just like a Mr. Bean car. It will be very attractive and good looking, and young children are it's very healthy projects for young children, for school projects or some other projects. I think these activities make children very healthy instead of wasting their time in different activities. It's lights coloring, and then we are making it's more attractive. You can choose the color according to your own requirement or your own desire. I am doing according to my requirement. Almost vehicle is ready. Mr. Bean car is ready. We can easily shape this car as a new and very good. Now we are making for this vehicle, for this car. Oh wow, this is very lovely. We will name this project as Mr. Bean car. We can also change its background color. Friends, Mr. Bean car is ready and this project is complete. We can save this project. Project is saved. We can also use new project. Let's wait. We are starting one new project. Friends, we are making a new project. Let's wait. You can select any template from the given templates, and we will color this. Friends, we will make this painting to make very attractive. Let's see. Oh wow, it's looking very good. We can fill the drawing according to make it more attractive. you can choose from colors available here. We also color its it's looking great. The road is also made. We will select another colors. We are coloring its face. We will click on fill and give color to its different color to plants. Different color of flowers. A person is planting a flower into lawn. Oh wow, it's cool. We are giving different colors to different items. Wow, it's looking very good. We have different colors to fill the different items. Our drawing is almost completed. It will take some time to make more finishing. Only some recycle is left for coloring. It's a small baby cycle. Wow, cool, it's almost ready. We will make some finishing here. Oh no, our drawing is completed. Now we will save this. Save this project. Our project is saved. Now we will create one more project. We are looking project. Wow, let's paint this project. Its tires are ready, and we will now color to its casing, its body. Wow, it's looking very good. Coloring some other its accessories like its Our drawing is almost completed. We will color its chassis. Now the remaining items, we will color to its remaining items. Wow, our vehicle is almost ready. We will save our project. Our project is saved. Friends, you see here we create a different project for school kids or young children. You can create more projects. It's a number of projects are available. You can make according to your requirement, and it's a very healthy activity for young children. I think you understand all the procedure. For anything which you want to ask me, you can ask me from comments. Okay, bye.